Hey, what's up, guys? It's Sami again here, and today is Wednesday, 16 November 2022. I'm from Netherlands. Uh, what we want to do today, I want to show you some things. Here, I want to remake a program which uh, which uh, which I have made as first application, and it was made it on Visual Basic 6 years of 22 23. And when I'm talking about years of 22 23 24 5, those years, there was no cryptocurrency, there was no PayPal like this. uh, and this application, that was first application that I accept to make. And for that thing, I have accepted Yahoo IDs as money, illegal Yahoo IDs, which I have still till now, and I use email of them because there is no chat tools anymore. And what is that? That was like this program. They asked me to make a program that is going to search machine and find which antivirus or which antiviruses are installed in a specific machine. Okay, and when that program finds that, it should email it somewhere. Okay, to an email, something like that. Little fancy things. Uh, in those years, I'm talking about dial-up connections, and it was something like, uh, yeah, very good 50 kb. It was kilobytes, no megabytes, gigabytes, really poor connections. And uh, and and in that year, I was about years of uh, 14, 15, 12, 11, I don't know, something like that. 13, I was very small, and now I am now 33. Okay. Visual Basic was the originally language what I start with. And if you know about command lines and commands, I want to show you first uh, what is WMIC. Uh, what is WMIC? Windows apps, Windows management instrumentation command line, something like this. Okay, and there you find everything what you want. What is everything? Windows management instrumentation, which is now deprecated, I think. Uh, Let me check. Is deprecated on Windows 10 version is, yeah, this is deprecated, but I think is not deprecated at all. You are be able to, for example, in Windows 11 you can it is by default well disabled, but you can enable it and use it. And if you know about this, and this is not more and mean, for example, I'm going to enter command here, and I get here as result Windows Defender of Virus Security, for example. Okay, and give me a list of, and what's that? Say, okay, just read it. Say here in the root security center 2 path get display name. And what is this display name? Okay, what is this display name? And I'm going here to my PowerShell, and I say here I have also a command here, and I get antivirus product. And if you see here, display name is a name of uh, product that installed on that machine. Okay, and now let's see, we want to make it to make a program which is now at least part one, because I have made other video in Python. That was in Python language to send emails from machine to a email address. Now let's see, we want to make this here in C sharp, and then we want to take old code in Python and take a look how we can change it to C sharp, something like that. Okay, but for now, let's first of all make application on C sharp to see, or we can get at least the name of the machine, and and that's it. And I want to show you something else here about management object search. What is this, Sami? It has some overloaded methods here, and this is actually nothing more and mean that WMIC, something like that. You search in like a query. Okay, let's start with the code and take a look here. This is just a class of program. You have to install system management, don't forget that. And here I say here, okay, let's start for I'm saying here, for example, search Searcjh, huh? How about that? Searcjh is equal to management object searcher. Let me see, management object searcher. This is coming from this library there, which I important of installed. Do that also. And now here I say, oh, here, okay, no problem. Here it's like this. We have here a list of some things, list of all applications which is installed on this machine that I'm work. And I say here, okay, bro, I make like this, and I say here, which is I want to go. If you remember here, I want to go where I want to go. I want to go here, which is here. See, I want to make this path here, right? What you see here, okay? And for that, say here we are making, we are getting help of environment that machine name. And here I say here, okay, again, this is the first part. Here I get my machine name, because I want to go to that path of route. And here I want to say again, here, that was root, and that was security center 2, if I'm not wrong. Here I'm going to copy this, copy. It's better, huh? I like to copy paste, like it. Okay, here security center 2, here I'll say here, okay. And now here, SQL things, select from somewhere, which is now in this case select very easily stir from that was here antivirus product here, you see, which I want to copy it again. You can copy it also, like to make my life easier and your life. Okay, here I say again, close that parenthesis again. Okay, and now let me see if I say here where searcher out, for example, is equal to this searcher search. What is this caps lock? Where searcher out, what is it now? I think if I'm doing this, and now it's okay, I think. Okay, now let's begin. Let's start, and then I'll make it. Okay, var searcher here is equal to what? No, I mean, and that is equal to this. Let's see what we have here. Equal get management get. Okay, let's see what we get. I hope that's enough. Okay, get what say this call is reachable on all platform, is only in Windows. Say here is only in Windows. This command is, yeah, which is, in other words, in Linux and other things is not runnable. Okay, and now, okay, you say here for each, you say now for each, just a for loop and iterate over a list and print out result. What it say? Var item, var var item in, yes, that is okay to me, and in that console, that is okay also to me. What I want to say here, in right line, we say here, for example, antivirus, virus virus name, for example, is equal to and then plus, here I have item dot for example, not dot, display name, because you saw that was variable name is just display name, display name, and then to a string, which is the first option. Here one more fantasy, I think. And what is say again? Okay, again. Okay, this is the first, and let me see what is this now. It's okay, it's working. Look, Avira, Windows Defender, Windows name. What is this name then? Why? Let's say, for example, I don't know, like this. And let me see what we have more than that here. For example, I say here item. No, never mind. Let's run this again. This is shit now. Again. Okay, Windows Defender. Like this we get the name of product which is installed on machine. Guys, do not forget, this is program for 20 years back, and those years there was really something else, not imagine it was like today. Okay, and this was really at top position, something like this. And now here I say, okay, here you now print for me, but here I want you just mail it for me, mail to an email address. Okay, but the second part, I don't know, I have to see how it goes, and and if it's okay, we're going to implement second part. uh, but this is for first time, and I'm going to stop it right now. Maybe we make second part also. Have a nice day and see you in the next time.